In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks to organize your subtasks. If you've ever found yourself with a long list of subtasks inside a single Asana task, it can start to feel messy and hard to scan. That's where subsections come in. They let you break that one long list into smaller, clearly labeled groups, so you can see what belongs where at a glance. First, open the task where you want to organize your subtasks. You can do this from any project view in Asana. Just click on the task name, and the Task Details pane will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you normally see the task description, assignee, due date, and, of course, the list of subtasks. Now, look for the subtasks area inside that task. If you already have subtasks, you'll see them listed there. If you don't see any yet, that's totally fine. You'll notice an option that says Add Subtask. Go ahead and click into any existing subtask name, or click directly on Add Subtask to place your cursor in the subtask name field. This is important because Asana needs to know that you're working inside the subtasks list rather than editing the main task. With your cursor active in that subtask name field, you're going to use a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Tab and N at the same time. When you do this while the cursor is in the subtasks area, Asana turns that line into a subsection instead of a regular subtask. You'll see a visual change, usually a different style or formatting that clearly indicates this is a subsection header. Now type the name you want for your new subsection. This could be something like planning, design, development, or anything that helps you group your subtasks logically. Once you've typed the name, press Enter. As soon as you hit Enter, that subsection is created, and you can start adding regular subtasks underneath it. Just click Add Subtask below the subsection header and continue as you normally would. You can repeat this process using Tab plus N each time you want to create another subsection to break your subtasks into clean, organized groups within that single task. And that's all there is to it. Open the task, click into the subtask field, press Tab plus N, name your subsection, and press Enter to lock it in and start organizing.